By installing this game, you can earn over $30. Install another game, you can make close to $40. And there are several games like this that can make you even $60 a day. Today we will talk about a website that has all of these games and can make you money for just playing them. So don't forget to like this video and let's dive into the first step, which is to head over to the play to earn app called cashyeah. Cashyeah is one of the best and most legitimate sites right now for earning through games, and today I will provide you how you can do it. This is the main page of cashyeah where you can complete various tasks like playing online games, watching videos, and filling out surveys to earn money. They have over 18,000 users worldwide and have paid over $300,000 to date. Cashyeah is available globally, so no matter where you are, you can start earning. The first step is registering on the site. I will leave a link down below, and if you use my referral link, which is in the video description, you will get a bonus reward. Head to cashyeah, click register, create a nickname, set a strong password, and confirm your email. Step 2 is adding money by playing games. When you log into your main account on cashyeah, click on Earn button where you will see a list of offers. Scroll down and click on View All Offers to find variety of games and apps to install and earn from. Depending on your country, you can earn anywhere from few cents to hundreds of dollars for each task. Cashyeah partners with advertisers to get more users for their apps, and they share earnings with users based on completed tasks. A bonus tip is to filter the offers for the best results. First, select your device, whether it is Android or another, and then choose the games option to see only games related to your offers. You can also filter by highest rewards to maximize your earnings. Complete the required task in the game to earn your rewards. Also note, it may take up to 15 days to reserve the reward in your account, so it takes time. Now I will show you how to install these games and get started. Click the continue task button, scan the QR code to install the app, and then begin playing to complete the levels. You'll be credited with rewards in your cashyeah account for each completed level. Another way to multiply your earnings on cashyeah is if you scroll down on the home page, you'll find multiple advertisers like AdGet Media and TimeWall offering more ways to earn through apps, games, and ads. You can earn 5 to 10 times more by exploring these offers also. You can also complete surveys or simple tasks like verifying your email or following cashyeah on social media for extra rewards. Finally, you can boost your earnings by creating a referral code for your account and sharing it with others. You will earn 5% of their earnings once they earn 1,000 gems, and they will also receive bonuses for using your link. You can share your referral link on platforms like Facebook and Reddit to grow your network and earn even more. That's it for today. Make sure you use cashyeah and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also share it with your family and friends so that they can know about these websites.